OZM weight loss support capsules. Jasmine, this one's for you. I looked into it as promised. So I went to Protein World website and I found what the bottle looks like, and you've got it. You can look alongside as I talk about this. So there's 2 ingredients that are listed on the bottle that I see here. It says glucomannan 500 milligrams and berberine 250 milligrams, and that's based on taking 2 capsules per day. If you took 2 capsules per day, then it's going to last you about a month and a half, it looks like. That said, just taking 2 capsules per day, 500 milligrams of glucomannan and 250 milligrams of berberine, that puts you on the low end of what I have seen in some of the weight loss research studies. I'm not sure if those amounts will do much for people. It does say on the bottle further down to not take more than 6 capsules per day. Now, if you did that, then you're getting 3,000 milligrams of glucomannan, and you're also getting 1,500 milligrams of berberine. That would be in the dosage range that I have seen in some of the weight loss studies. However, if you did take it at 6 capsules per day, you will run out of this stuff really fast. You'll run out of OZM in about 2.5 weeks. That makes, in my opinion, OZM an expensive weight loss supplement. The other thing I would say is this: I could not find any research studies involving humans where glucomannan and berberine were combined together. So I want to see research that shows that they work better for weight loss than either one by themselves, and I'm not aware of that. If anybody is, let me know and I'll take a look at that study. The other thing I would say with this is that I'm not convinced that berberine is going to add anything to the ingredients or the weight loss effects of OZM, because the studies, and there are weight loss studies out there, but I'm not convinced of them. They're small, they're inconsistent findings, and so I don't think that berberine is going to help weight loss at this junction. I would like to see better studies on that. The other thing, and this is kind of a red flag for me, when I went over to the Protein World website, and you can do this too, just go there, look for OZM, and click the little plus sign next to the ingredients. If you do that, you will see other ingredients listed. I'm seeing caffeine, I'm seeing green tea, vitamin B6, yerba mate. Some of these ingredients are red flags for me. Green tea, red extract, green tea supplements, that's a red flag. Yerba mate, red flag for me. I don't like either of those ingredients. So my suggestion would be this. You said you're taking it. If it's helping you, let me know, because I'm curious, because a lot of this stuff is uncharted waters because of the lack of research. I do think that the best research, and it's not perfect, but I think it's the better of the two. I think the better research is on glucomannan, and I think glucomannan can be purchased for a lot less money than OZM. And again, I'm, like I said before in the previous video, I am not a fan of the capsules. I would crack them open and put them in some juice and drink it that way. But let me know what happens, Jasmine. I'm curious, and I hope this little mini review helped you.